everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna share a DIY hair mask and a DIY face mask to get rid of the tan. If you want to know how I do that, then definitely keep on watching till the end and let's get started. Hey, no, 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 hey. This is how my hair is looking at the moment. Very frizzy and dry. मतलब dry बोले तो next level dry, especially over here and at the ends as well. इतना खराब हो गया मेरे बाल and my skin. So if you have watched my previous vlog, you would know that I went on a family vacay, like a weekend trip to Kamare Valley. जो मेरी दशा हुई है उसकी गलती मेरी ही है because the next day we actually went in the pool और पूरा दिन like literally सुबह से लेके दोपहर के कड़क धूप में हम सब बाहर थे and I didn't put on any sunscreen. बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब next level tan हो गई थी. यहाँ पर से सब peeling हो रहा था as well as on my nose. यहाँ पर जो मेरा स्कैल्प है वो भी पील हो रहा था. मतलब नेक्स्ट लेवल डैमेज कर चुकी हूँ मैं अपने स्किन को. That's what this video is about. I am trying to heal my skin, my face as well as my hands and my scalp, my hair, everything. And I thought I'll share it with you guys because ये थोड़ा DIY method में try कर रही हूँ. I don't usually share a lot of DIY methods because मैं नहीं करती हूँ इतना DIY. मैं घर के जो दही, हनी, ये सारी चीज़ें मैं अपने बालों पे नहीं लगाती हूँ. अंडा, बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिलेगी आपको ऑनलाइन यूट्यूब पे, बट पर्सनली मैं वो चीज़ें नहीं यूज़ करती हूँ. मुझे लगता है बहुत ही टेम्परेरी इफेक्ट देता है. बट दिस DIY आई genuinely like to do on my hair and I feel this actually gives a little bit of benefit. So the main ingredient that I like to use in my DIY hair mask method, let's tackle with the hair first, then we'll come on to the face, is aloe vera. And oh my god, I absolutely love this ingredient. It's great for anything, for your face, for your hair, for your scalp, and even to consume. It's really good. It has really good health benefits, and that's what I like to use in my DIY hair mask. Now getting the aloe vera gel from the aloe vera plant is very easy. All you have to do is get 2 or 3 aloe vera ka shaft from your plant. Wash it nicely. You don't want that greasy yellow looking thing in your aloe vera gel. Make sure you wash it thoroughly. Go ahead and slice the spiky part of it. Use the pointy end of your knife. It will be very easy. Once you remove that, make sure you lay your aloe vera flat. और जो flat portion होता है ऊपर का surface, धीरे से उसको peel off करना start करो. Even if you slice it in between, that's fine as well. But I like to remove the upper layer of it. Grab a spoon and start scooping the aloe vera gel from it. It's very easy. This is how the aloe vera gel looks like. Of course, I can't put it directly like this. So what I'm gonna do is collect everything, put it in a mixer bowl and blend it. And that's it. A DIY aloe vera gel is ready. It's super easy and quick to do. So I have divided the aloe vera gel in 2 parts. ये वाला इसमें सिर्फ aloe vera gel है. Now I'm gonna use this on my scalp. Scalp is nothing but skin and aloe vera is amazing on skin. Aloe vera has such good properties for your skin. बहुत ही ज़्यादा calm कर देगा, cool कर देगा scalp को. बहुत ही ज़्यादा heat के वजह से damage हो चुका है मेरा scalp. And other part of the aloe vera gel I have mixed in with some oil and hair mask. So मेरे aloe vera gel में मैंने डाला है onion hair oil by Parachute and Flossom Kinky Berries hair mask a little bit. And हाथ से mix करने में थोड़ा difficulty हो रहा था, so I added everything in the mixer again. And this is how the paste looks like, जो मैं already एक बार drop कर चुकी हूँ. Today's day, I am telling you, it's like I don't know what's going on with me. I'm dropping literally everything. So yeah, this is how it looks like. ये मैं अपने length पे लगाने वाली हूँ. And you can use oil, any oil if you want. You can use coconut oil, you can use castor oil, or use no oil at all if your hair does not like it. It's your choice. This is a DIY thing. You can use any of your favorite hair mask or just add your conditioner if you don't have a hair mask. You just want to have something जो फटाक से आपको effect दे. Is this little guy. I've used this. I've made a video about it actually. And this really works. It gave me such good result. And another hair mask I would like to obviously suggest, if you're not into DIY, then You can definitely use plum ka avocado hair mask, macadamia hair mask, gives really good result. Also curl up ka hair mask is also good. First, let's start with scalp. This is how the consistency look like. I'm concentrating this on my scalp skin, okay? Not concentrating this on my hair, but on my scalp. Feels so good. Some people might get a little disgusted with the consistency of it. I know it's a little slimy and weird, the consistency, but it's so good for your hair.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be.
Is covered, feel good. Okay, the scalp is covered with aloe vera gel. Now I'm gonna cover the rest of the hair with जो दूसरा concoction किया है उसमें से. Now I always like to wet my hair a little bit. I just feel it gives me good control over it. Just a little bit, not too much. The consistency is very creamy. It kind of looks like a hair mask. I mean, hair mask मैंने add किया है, but it also has aloe vera gel, and mixing it up looks something like this. And I'm dropping it everywhere. अभी तो एक वीक हो गया मुझे जाके वो ट्रिप पे, बट एज सुन एज आई केम, जब मैंने हेयर वॉश किया, आई लॉस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ हेयर. आई थिंक मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द रीज़न इज सन डैमेज, एंड हम लोग पूल में खेल रहे थे जिसमें क्लोरीन था, सो वो डैमेज, एंड दिस जस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ डैमेज. ऑल्सो माई स्कैल्प वॉज बर्न. Yeah, I lost a lot of hair and I was so sad about it. मेरे बाल इतने ज़्यादा ख़राब लग रहे थे. It was just dry and brittle and I don't know man. It looked so bad. And उसके बाद I think 2 wash तक मेरे बाल अच्छे खासे गिर रहे थे. Hopefully this will help and calm my scalp down. I feel because of that I'm losing a lot of hair. Also अभी मेरी skin, like face की skin भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा better है. The day I came, I was like mad tanned. अभी तक tan पूरा गया नहीं है, but it's still better. If you feel your hair is too dry, you can obviously add a little bit of water. Just feel it helps. आप section लेके भी कर सकते हो if you feel all your hair is not getting coated. My hair just started to make these really tiny knots, जो बहुत ही difficult हो रहा है मुझे detangle करने के लिए. I just feel they are very damaged. And I want to like give it a haircut. It's been a year. Also ये बार कलर कौन सा कर रहा हूँ? I'm kind of leaning towards red. I feel like जब से मैं hair color करना start किया, I've always done brown and chocolates, and मतलब वो ही category में I've played it very safe. But this time I'm feeling a little bold. I want to go red. Like I want to play in the red color scheme, color palette. Let me know in the comments down below which color should I get this time for my hair. Okay, this looks good. Saturated. Let's section this one as well. अच्छे से. अभी ये मैं scalp पे नहीं लगा रही हूँ, but I am coating the hair from top to bottom. Scalp पे नहीं लगा रही हूँ. Scalp पे मैंने सिर्फ और सिर्फ aloe vera gel लगाया है to calm it down. And obviously this is not going to be a one thing wonder. I'm going to keep pampering my hair till I feel satisfactory. मुझे लगे कि हाँ भाई अभी अच्छा लग रहा है मेरा बाल. I'm going to keep doing this every single week. I'm like literally layering it in. Let this soak in the goodness. I finished the hair mask that I made. जितना भी बचा कुछ है वो भी लगा लेती हूँ, क्यों भी रखना है. As you can see, I've literally finished it. I'll scoop in the last bit of it. Now if you want this to work even better and to give you even more like the goodness of what you're doing, use a hot towel method or just use a heat cap. I'm not gonna do that because I'm gonna keep this for 2 to 3 hours. If you're in a hurry, heat cap will just like speed up कर देगा वो process को, और आपको like half an hour 20 minutes में you'll be good to go. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit now for at least 2 to 3 hours. As I said, let's concentrate on our face. Let's get started with the face now, and for that I've made this DIY ubtan face mask. If you're an Indian, you already know how to make this and you know that this works. For some reason this works. मैं ये बहुत ज़्यादा लगाया करती थी when I was in college. तभी मैं sunscreen नहीं use किया करती थी. अभी use करती हूँ. For some reason I forgot. But this definitely helped me in my college days, so that's what I'm gonna apply now as well. I'm gonna apply this on my face as well as my body, but first let's see how I made this. Okay, to make this DIY ubtan face mask, all you need is 2 spoons of besan. I've taken 2 big spoons of it. The next ingredient I'm going to use is turmeric powder. Now कोई भी use मत करना, especially the one that you get outside in the market, जो curry powder होता है वो मत use करना. The one that I am using is raw freshly grounded turmeric powder. Next I'm going to use some curd. Any curd will work. I'll add a little bit of rose water. Now you can fluctuate the quantity of rose water. कितना thick चाहिए, कितना thin चाहिए उस हिसाब से. And if you don't have lemon, you can definitely use tomato puree. 1 spoon of that. And I'm gonna add a little bit of honey to make it a little sticky so the paste sticks to your skin and it has moisturizing benefits as well. Mix it all in and this is how it should look like. Now I'm gonna apply this all over my face and my body as well. This is a great scrub for body and face. If you feel it's very runny और आप लोगों ने कुछ blender कर दिया, then you can definitely add a little bit more besan and make it thick. But I feel this is good enough consistency. You can definitely make it a little bit more thick. This is good enough. Okay, this looks good. I'm gonna let it sit and dry and I'll see you guys later. Okay, I am back and the face mask is really dry right now. Almost 1 घंटे के ऊपर रख दिया है ये मैंने because मैं खाना बना रही थी. Right now it's all dry, so what I like to do after it's dry is grab some water and spray, or you can just use the tap water and tap it like that, basically re-wetting the whole thing. And then I'm gonna use my fingers and go in a circular motion like this and exfoliate your skin with besan. You can use a little bit more water. Don't try to scrub way too hard. If you feel it's a little bit too dry, use a little bit of water and scrub. It's very gentle, it's not that harsh at all. My nose was burnt, not even kidding. So bad. Okay, that looks good enough. I'm gonna head in the shower, wash my face. I'm also gonna apply the remaining ubtan on my hands, let it dry, do the same exact thing, take a shower, and I'll be back to show you guys the result. I am back. So I washed my hair and this is 100% air dried result. By the way, I've not used any stylers, just shampoo and conditioner, and this is how it's looking. It's definitely soft, which I love. It was feeling so dry and rough earlier, like few washes. Now it's feeling soft, and as you can see, I have some curl definition. Obviously my hair is not 100% recovered. It's gonna take some time. I'm gonna do this every week for at least a month to see how my hair is doing. Also my scalp is feeling relaxed, moisturized and calm, which is great. It was feeling so itchy and just weird, to be honest, and now it's feeling a little calmer. I'm gonna keep doing this for at least a month. And talking about my face, the tan is reduced tad bit, not like a very drastic result, and I know this. ये थोड़ा करते रहना पड़ता है to get that result. To be honest, even if you don't do anything, the tan does fade away eventually if you don't step outside a lot and you put sunscreen and everything. If you protect your skin, the tan will fade away eventually. Doing this method will just make it a little bit more faster. That's the only difference. ऐसा कुछ करता नहीं ये method. Is just, it will be a little easier, it will be a little faster to get rid of the tan. And I'm gonna do the ubtan face pack thing at least 3 times per week. To be honest, difference है, मुझे दिख रहा है in person. I don't know whether the camera is able to capture or not, and also it's evening time. मैं दोपहर को start किया था, so the lighting is different. I don't know whether you'll be able to guess it or not, but in person I can definitely see that the tan is reduced a bit. Also on my hand was so tanned before. Drastic difference nahi hai, as I said, but it's definitely a little lighter. You'll see the before and after shot. This is how my hand looks before I applied the ubtan, and this is how my hand looks after I applied the ubtan. Also, this is the before shot of my face, and this is the after shot of my face. As I said, drastic difference nahi hai, but good enough, and I'm gonna keep doing it till I get rid of all the tan on my face. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends, share it with your family. Help me grow my channel. And if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you want, or if you have any video recommendations, definitely let me know in the comments down below. And the comment shout out goes to Grisha. Grisha, thank you so much for your comment. It really means a lot. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
We had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to floor the Bowery.